Welcome to the Sims Carnival Game Creator. Our intro video will get you started creating your own unique games. It's fun and easy. The Game Creator is divided into three basic parts. This is the preview window. This is where you see your games come to life. Below, you'll find a suite of simple tools used to create stuff. This is the object list. This is where you can find an itemized list of the things that make up your games. And over here is the behavior window. It's here that you define the rules of your game. You'll be spending a lot of time in this space perfecting your creations. So, what's in a game? Well, a game generally consists of objects, sounds, and behaviors. Sounds can be played to create background music and sound effects. Objects are things in a game that interact with each other. They can collide with one another, change the way they look, and move around. If objects are the bones of a game, behaviors are the muscle, senses, and brain. Behaviors are constructed to create simple logic that our games operate by. We use behaviors to tell objects to move, animate images, play sounds, and calculate scores. Let's start with objects. How do you make them? The easiest way to get an object in our game is to import an image. You do this by clicking the Import an Image File button. Then you can pick any image from your computer, a picture of your dog, for example. The imported image will automatically become an object. Your new object will be placed in the middle of the preview window for you. Importing a sound is just as easy. Click the Import an Audio File button, navigate to the sound you want, and click Open. You won't see the sound in the preview window, but you can see it's been added to the sound list by clicking on the Audio tab in the Object list. Now that you have an object in your game, what can you do with it? Well, first off, you can easily move objects around in the preview window by clicking and dragging them across the screen. The hand, pan, and zoom buttons allow you to change the view of your game so you can better manipulate your objects. You can stretch, scale, and rotate an object by using the buttons here. While in the stretching and scaling or rotating mode, you only need to click and drag the object handles to manipulate them. So now that we have an object in our game, how do you give it some behaviors? You start by clicking the Launch Behavior Library button. Here you will find all the behaviors you will use as building blocks to define the rules of your games. There are two types of behaviors, ifs and thens. You use ifs to check whether a condition is true, such as whether the left arrow key is down. Thens perform actions such as moving an object to the left. We create complex behaviors by linking thens to ifs, like this. This behavior states that if the left arrow key is down, then the object will move to the left. You have your first real behavior. Click the play button to test it out and click stop when done. Now if you create other behaviors for the other three directions, you've created a basic movement behavior. Now that you have the beginnings of a game, you can easily save it to come back to later by clicking on the Save button here. After you finish your game, you can click the Publish button to publish it to the Sims Carnival website. Once a game is published, anyone in the world can play it. Some people might love your game so much that they'll download it and open it in the Game Creator to learn how you created something this cool. You can do the same and learn from other creators around the world. Isn't it fun? The possibilities are endless. Check out our other tutorial videos to learn more about how to make great games using the Sims Carnival Game Creator.